I'll be hosting a live digital marketing event just for you so that I can help you, show you how you can run Facebook ads, show you in person how you can document organic short form, long form, medium form content to put yourself out in the marketplace and attract your ideal target avatar to you inside of your funnel, generating leads, and that leads converting into sales. I want to teach you the theoretical mindset and practical ways on how you can start, build, and grow your very own online business using social media, your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Shorts, Reels, Lives, ads, organic content, so that you have a content machine online that allows you to build your brand, that allows you to convert your leads into sales. I will share with you the tools, the email functionality, the hooks. I will share with you email marketing sequences to build that deeper bond, that deeper relationships. Remember, business is all relationships, and I am super excited and thrilled and filled with awe that I am going to be able to teach you in person digital marketing strategies and tactics so that you can move your business forward and see growth happening inside of your business when you are taking the necessary steps. So reach out to me and I'll share with you all the details.